getting hot, riding around, searching for a young buck. Took it violated, now I'm gone.